Welcome to our tutorial how to use R for research. In today's session, we teach you students TTest in R programming. It is used to examine the difference between means of two groups of data. As a default, TTest assumes unequal variance. Let's at the beginning create some data, group A and group B. We have one sample t-test, only group A. The function is t.test. The data is group A. That's the t-value, degree of freedom, 9, and p-value, significant. Another type of t-test, we have independent t-test, or it's called unpaired. It be used for example, randomly divided 200 samples of treatment cases to 100 of treatment group and another 100 as a control group. TT, the result equal t-test function, group A and group B. P-value 1.19 and p-value 0.26. If we use t-test between two groups with the same value, let's say x and y, both of them are 2, 4, and 6. The t should be 0 and the p-value should be 1. Now we change it x to minus. The t-value is minus 4.89 and p-value is significant. Another type of t-test we have pair t-test. This type of t-test could be used for equal pairs of similar units or the same population in two different times. Let's say group of students and we have exam score, the first exam and the second exam. At the beginning, let's create a data frame. We name it df. Name of student is their value in the first exam and in the second exam. We use t.test function between first exam and second exam paired equal true. That's the p-value, degree of freedom 5 and t-value minus 0.6. Instead of display all outputs, we can only extract p-value. We can say t-test group A and group B, $sign and p-value. That's the p-value to display significance of t-test. Or we can extract by using $sign, then p-value after the name of the output. For t-value, we can use statistic after $sign. That's our t-value. For interpreting the result of t-test, we have a couple of outputs. T, it means t-test value, df, degree of freedom, p-value, and so on. The most important thing, if the p-value bigger than alpha, let's say 0.05, it means that average of groups are not significantly different. That's the end of today's session about t-test